What's up, y'all? I'm back again with a 2008 Mercedes GL450 4MATIC. I'm doing the sway bar links. Now, you know you gotta jack your car up and get it secured and put it on this jack stand. But I'm gonna show you how to take this the driver's side. All right? You got two bolts right here and right back here. If you got power tools, you can power them off. If not, you gotta get you a T45 and put in that hole right here to hold it so it won't spin when you're taking that off. And that's a 21 millimeter. So the bolts is already off. You take yours off, you take this off. All you do, you pull it out. You also got some washers that came with your old one. These right here. Put them back on the new one. Both on. Those are lock washers on the back side. All you do, you get your and put it in the top one first, and then we're gonna put it in the bottom one. All right, that one in. Then we come down here. Let me get on the ground right quick so I can get this right. As you can see, sway bar links look the same, but you gotta put the right one that go in this way, and then one of them gonna go from this way to that way. So you put that side in first, and then you get this side here, and you could kind of wiggle it and move it and bend it into that hole. So that. And then you put it on. Yours should be in. Make sure you put the washer back in the back where I told you. Then you get your 21 and you put your 21 back on there. Simple, real simple. It ain't nothing hard in replacing your sway bar links. Get on the bottom and put this. What I did, I put the same bolts that came off with the washers. I don't like the bolts that I took off. So you put that on and get your impact, run it on there, and put the T45 in here so this whole thing don't spin when you're tightening that bolt. Same thing with this one. The T45 goes in here, and then you tighten that bolt. Do yours, and I'll be right back. This is the driver's side. So you should be done tightening those bolts. All right, so there you go. Sway bar links. 2008 Mercedes GL450 4MATIC. Full door. Now we're about to do the passenger side. Subscribe, comments, like, share. Until the next one, that's the driver's side sway bar links.